I'm like,
Love it.
I ain't mad at that. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Bobby Boy Living, where I am your lovely host. And Jason is just the object of all of our affection. Today, we are making one of my BFF's favorite things ever. You know, Taco Bell went and did us dirty, and they just got rid of their Mexican pizza, the thing that basically bankrolled them for decades. So I'm gonna recreate Jason's favorite fast food item, which is a Mexican pizza by Taco Bell. It's gonna be just like theirs, tastes better because it's made with organic drinks. Tequila! Organic ingredients. But that's not just it. Jason, do you know why today's a big day? Because today we have our first in-person guest on Bobby Boy Living. Yeah, and she's kind of beautiful. She's kind of iconic and talented and successful with legs to kill. I mean, Tina Turner would be jealous. Okay, so who's coming out of my pantry? Oh, it's Heather Altman.
Hi.
Look, come on, Muzzle, L'chaim.
Salute.
Maybe this is our husband. Let's see. Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so our husbands are
drama,
having fun.
yeah.
Would you like to share that with the audience?
Our husbands are in Aspen together right now. They didn't invite us.
I know. I'm
What's that all
not
about?
missing out though.
Do you remember we were filming something a few years ago and our husbands were going at it and everybody was around and I look at you and I'm like, can't we just get them? Yeah, can't we just get them to be friends? And can you believe after all these years? I think it's because of us.
Happened?
I think it's because of us.
Oh, 100%. Okay, so two things happened. Josh married you, and my Josh had kids. We just like kind of came together and like got them to check the attitudes at the door.
Yeah, it was a lot of diva-ish. It was like Mariah and Whitney if they really had a
Yes.
rivalry, but they didn't.
Wait, which one's which?
Well. All right, the oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Let's make sure it's hot. Yep. Okay, do you know how to chop up green onions? These are washed.
Sure.
Okay, do that. Just chop them up. It's gonna be more of like a garnish. And then we're gonna do the tomatoes. I could have made homemade refried beans, but I thought, it's girls' night.
This is scary.
Yeah.
This is scary.
Very convincing. Nice.
Like I said, Mama was gonna get drunk after one tequila shot, so I can't guarantee anything right now.
Oh, it smells so good.
I know it does.
Want a facial? Nothing like a beef facial, girl. Taco seasoning, come on. I like I'm all about the senses, the taste,
Yes.
the texture.
You know, I'm a five senses kind of girl. I need a little stimulation in every arena. You know what my husband said about him?
What?
My husband said he is the trophy wife.
Oh.
I was a little hurt by
My
those
dad
words.
would be so proud.
I mean, you're sexy, you're perfect, you cook, and he's good in bed. I don't know about that.
Here's my dilemma. So how this whole dog and pony show got started was in the pandemic. I started it because it's a passion, but then I was like, this is a good way to have like my own identity. Because what I struggle with is working for my husband as being in the shadow. And it's like, I always thought that would be a thing, but then I'm like, wait, but I'm really working my ass off. I'm closing crazy amounts of deals that I literally just call Josh up. I'm like, hey, I closed an escrow today, a check's coming in, that's, a 6-figure check.
Yeah.
But not only do I not get the recognition from him half the time, but it's like other people are like, oh, you do real estate too?
Yes,
I'm like,
exactly.
yeah.
She's a gold
Yeah.
digger. She
Yeah.
married for money.
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. We came up together. We built this together. I've got my own thing. Even without Josh, I've struggled with my own identity as an agent, as a wife, as a girlfriend, as a team member. And what I finally came to the conclusion is that it's okay to embrace my husband and the brand that he built, and don't work against it, work with it, and you can still have your own name and brand.
I always tell myself it shouldn't matter, but it does, because putting myself through college means a lot to me. Taking care of my family, 100% financially on my own meant a lot to me. And as soon as I got with him,
We're like the same.
Aww.
is. It's hard.
We cook and we care. Listen, so we're ready to construct our Mexican pizzas. Now, I've been distracted because we were talking about a lot of heavy stuff, but you just put your little refried beans down first. Kids, sorry, forgot you guys are all there. They're like, exit, unsubscribe, unsubscribe.
No, don't say that, I want to come back. She's canceled. Don't cancel me.
So next is our beef.
Ooh,
You can make it vegan because you can do vegan cheese and then you can do, you know, vegan beef. Now you put your enchilada sauce on. So, Mrs. Altman, so once you've constructed this part of your Mexican pizza,
yes,
your oven is preheated at 400 degrees and you're gonna pop that in there, and cheese is to your liking. I like it cheesy.
I like it cheesy.
Did Josh always want kids?
He wanted 5 kids, he wanted a full soccer team, and I was like, you're not carrying the child, so you don't know.
Are you done?
I don't know.
You wanna be my surrogate?
Yes.
Come on, we can
Yes.
have twins and we could share them.
We can have,
Oven, look at
These
that.
twins.
yes.
Look at these twins.
Good point, Jason.
It's like
You're
two melons.
so clever.
20 minutes later.
Ooh, daddy. Now, if you want it to look like Taco Bell's, you would put the tomatoes on now. Now you do the black olives.
Yep, get those green onions on there. My mouth is salivating. I am so hungry.
And then you take your dollop of sour cream.
Dollop a daisy. Okay, you digging in?
Do you see these layers?
Yes.
Cheers, my love. Thank you
Cheers.
for doing
Thank
this.
you. Mmm. It tastes just like it, but so much better. Oh my God. I am in heaven. I don't think I've orgasmed like this in like the longest time. This is so good.
It's worth breaking the diet. I haven't broken my diet in 15 days.
Okay. Oh my
You
God.
know what else I need? Jason, what do I need?
Diet Coke.
Listen, Taco Bell, you may have gotten rid of it, but I'm bringing it back, like Justin Timberlake. Hope you enjoyed yourself. You know what to do here. Hit the like button if you enjoyed yourself. Comment.
Like, subscribe, comment.
And ring the bell for notifications
Oh,
so you
yeah,
can see the
baby.
next time she comes on.
Oh wait, hold on. We forgot one box.
What?
Ready? Are you ready?
Yes. Oh, I got a whiplash. Ooh. All right, I got everything. Let's go, bro.
Okay. Oh.
Got the hot sauce, got the napkins, got the Diet Coke.
Olympia, don't forget the drinks. Now I feel like flag.
Bye. Love you mucho.
Cheers.